Colour is a very personal thing.
Everybody's unique, everyone's home is different, and there's no one-size-fits-all approach when it comes to colour.
And when you really look around, you'll find there's inspiration all around us.
For me, I'm inspired by a local coastal walk. I love all the variations in green and tan and sandy colours that really bring a sense of calm.
For me, I love the ocean. I love how we interact with it and the way the water moves, and I draw so much inspiration from that environment.
Colorsmith puts the creativity back in your hands.
Now you can create the colour that you love from absolutely anything that inspires you.
There's 3 different ways for you to capture the colour. Take a photo through the Colorsmith app.
For greater colour accuracy, use the Colorsmith window.
Or for pinpoint accuracy, use the Colorsmith reader.
Once you've captured the colour, perfect your tone and give it a name. Finally, use your unique QR code to order your sample pot in-store or have it delivered to your door.
Be inspired and surround yourself with the colour you love.